Welcome back to Ride Geek, where we delve into the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. Today, we're exploring Harley-Davidson's bold entry into the adventure sport segment, the 2025 Pan America 1250 Street. This motorcycle is designed for riders who crave the thrill of the open road, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive in. The Pan America 1250 ST showcases a sleek, road-focused design that sets it apart from its adventure touring siblings. Harley-Davidson has lowered the suspension and equipped the bike with 17-inch cast aluminum wheels, enhancing its on-road agility. The blacked-out powertrain and minimalist bodywork contribute to a modern, aggressive look, while the low-profile smoked windshield and street-style front fender add to its aerodynamic appeal. At the heart of the Pan America 1250 ST lies the Revolution Max 1250 engine, a liquid-cooled 1,250 cc twin powerhouse delivering 149 horsepower and 91 feet-lb of torque. This engine is integrated into the chassis as a load-bearing element, reducing weight and enhancing rigidity for a more responsive ride. The lightweight exhaust system not only sheds pounds but also improves sound quality, offering a satisfying auditory experience. Harley-Davidson has equipped the Pan America 1250 ST with a suite of features aimed at enhancing the riding experience. The standard Screamin' Eagle quickshifter allows for seamless clutchless up and down shifts, optimizing acceleration and keeping your focus on the road. Adaptive ride height, standard on North American models, automatically adjusts the seat height when the bike is stationary, making it easier to mount and dismount. The lowered suspension, featuring Showa balance-free forks and a monoshock with electronically adjustable preload and manually adjustable compression and rebound, provides a comfortable and controlled ride. The braking system is equally impressive, with dual front Brembo monoblock radially mounted 4-piston calipers and 12.6-inch brake rotors delivering exceptional stopping power. A single-piston Brembo caliper and an 11-inch rotor at the rear ensure balanced braking performance. The bike also features 5 selectable ride modes: Road, Sport, Rain, and 2 customizable options, allowing riders to tailor power delivery, traction control, and ABS settings to their preferences. Safety is paramount in the Pan America 1250 ST, featuring Harley-Davidson's rider safety enhancements. This comprehensive suite includes cornering enhanced ABS, link braking, traction control, drag torque slip control, and front wheel lift mitigation. These systems work harmoniously to provide confidence and control across various riding conditions. The 2025 Pan America 1250 ST starts at $19,999 MSRP, positioning it competitively within the adventure sport segment. Considering its robust engine performance, advanced features, and Harley-Davidson's renowned build quality, the Pan America 1250 ST offers substantial value for riders seeking a versatile and engaging motorcycle. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 ST represents a significant evolution in the brand's lineup, catering to riders who prioritize on-road performance without sacrificing comfort and technological sophistication. Its blend of aggressive design, potent engine, and comprehensive features make it a standout choice for those ready to explore the open road with confidence and style. That's all for today's episode of Ride Geek. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth motorcycle insights. Ride safe, and see you next time.